Hi everyone, welcome back to my journey. So this video is for all those students who gave NEET 2024 and who are planning to join veterinary. So 3 days back, NTA has released NEET 2024 result, and it was completely shocking for all of us because many people are scoring 720 out of 720. Now this result will definitely affect the VCA counseling cutoff as well as other veterinary counseling, which is based on the NEET score. Now, one thing you need to understand here is that the main factor of selection is your all India rank, not your marks. And we all know this time the variation of rank and the marks is completely different as compared to the previous one's NEET exams. Okay, let me tell you with my example. So I gave NEET exam in 2021, and at that time I was scoring 516 marks and the all India rank was 71,000 something. So now if someone is scoring 516 marks in NEET 2024, then of course the rank, all India rank, will be in lakhs. Now can you see the difference? And when I applied for visa counseling, I got the college, that to Tanua's college, in the first list itself. Now if you see the previous year visa counseling round results, you will see that only all India ranks are mentioned in the result. No NEET score is mentioned. So from that itself we can get the idea that rank is the main factor of selection, not the marks. And if you're scoring 70,000, like 3 years back, if you see in NEET 2021 I scored 516 and the rank was 71,000 something, that is all India rank. So now if someone is scoring 516, they will definitely getting the rank in lakhs. So this is the variation. And recently there are so many news coming up regarding the scam in the NEET results. So we never know what will be the next step taken by the NTA. But till now, if you consider this result, then you should focus on the marks and the rank, basically the rank, okay? And don't worry, I have already made a lot of videos regarding the previous year VCI counseling cutoff. There is a separate playlist of VCI counseling 2023 and 2022 also. And I know what you guys are going through right now because I was in the same situation 3 years back. And honestly speaking, when I applied for visa counseling, I had 0% hope of getting any college, veterinary college. Seriously, I'm telling you. But in the first round itself, I got college. So you never know what's gonna happen, okay? But the main thing is your participation. You should participate in the counseling. I know the competition is very high this time, बट डोंट लूज़ होप. आई नो कहने में बहुत आसान लग रहा है, बट जिसने एग्ज़ाम दिया है, जो ये चीज़ें फेस करेंगे, उनके लिए बहुत मुश्किल है. आई कैन टोटली अंडरस्टैंड, बट डोंट वरी एट ऑल. आने वाली वीडियोज़ में विल बी डिस्कसिंग अबाउट द VCI counseling, cut off, everything. Don't worry at all, and just try your best, okay, in the counseling. And choose veterinary only if, हमेशा ही कहती हूँ, choose veterinary only if you are interested in animals or veterinary science. Don't choose veterinary as a second option because you will face a lot of things if you are choosing veterinary because of that reason. Okay, so in the upcoming videos we'll be discussing about many things related to counseling and everything. So till then, take care, and you can follow me on Instagram and Telegram also. Link I've mentioned in the description. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this is helpful or giving you some kind of positivity. So thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.